One sunny morning, Ethan walked to school. He heard a little bark.
Hello? Hello, little friend. I won't hurt you. Your name is Charlie. I will help you. I found your number. I will call.
Hello?
I found Charlie.
Oh, thank you. A few minutes later, Emma arrived. Charlie! My sweet Charlie. Thank you, Ethan. You're welcome. You saved my best friend. Thank you so much.
I am happy to help.
Please take this reward. No, thank you. I only wanted to help. If not money, please accept this gift. Thank you very much. This book is for you. I love it. Thank you.
Good morning, Ethan.
Story. I have a story.
I helped a lost dog. Well done, Ethan. You are a kind boy.
Thank you, Mrs. Wilson. Ethan smiled. He learned kindness matters. The first page made Ethan smile.
I will always help. Kindness always finds its way back home. I will always be kind.